here at Gateway Toyota. I'd like to show you another vehicle in our pre-owned lineup. This is a 2013 Ford Fiesta. It's an absolutely fantastic little car. Great on gas, great for commuting in the city. Let me show you a few features on it. It's in great shape. Little hatchback. Show you some room in the back here. So you can fold the seats in the back, lots of room for storage and cargo and so forth. It's really handy. Let me show you a few features on the inside. So this one here is really nicely equipped. Of course, you've got an automatic transmission on it, power windows, power mirrors on it. You've got Bluetooth voice command as well on it, which is really nice. Tilted telescopic steering. You've got your radio CD player on this one as well. Phone, auxiliary, all that, and of course AC. And then you also have your USB and auxiliary input as well. So lots of great little features on this car. And really, like I said, very economical. For more information about this vehicle, check us out at gatewaytoyota.ca or give us a shout at 780-439-3939 or come down in person. We're at 2020 103rd A Street Southwest in Edmonton. We can't wait to show you this great vehicle. And for more information about upcoming products, check us out on our YouTube channel at Gateway Toyota in Edmonton. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You're going to get all the latest updates. We hope to see you soon. Take care.